Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach the key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media logbooks. A simple model which may be helpful on compliance is that compliance requires 5 Ps. Firstly, it requires process and governance. How are you as a building manager and operator going to achieve the compliance requirements that you have? Secondly, it requires a plan. It really requires the who, what, when, where, and why of how you're going to achieve your compliance objectives. Thirdly, it requires people. People who are both competent and trained in the functions and roles as defined in the fire safety plan. Fourthly, it requires property and plant. All of the equipment that you require to meet the fire safety compliance requirements as defined by your authority having jurisdiction against the fire code in your area. And finally, it requires proof. Safety Media offers 2 solutions to assist you with this. Firstly, our logbooks, where we have a wide range of logbooks of various types. And we also offer a compliance management solution called C2020. This video series focuses on Safety Media's logbooks. Thank you for watching.
The purpose of this maintenance training video is to draw the link between using the Safety Media Fire Logbook and the importance of hands-on scheduled maintenance of equipment within your building. The Fire Logbook is used to record and track in-house scheduled maintenance procedures as required by the local fire code. A year is a long time between licensed contractor visits. The purpose of performing routine maintenance is to ensure that all equipment continues to operate effectively between contracted inspections. Begin by scheduling a maintenance program by assigning specific dates for when you plan to conduct your daily, weekly, and monthly checkups. The Fire Logbook includes a scheduling grid to assist in this routine. Locate the proper section within the logbook to fill out your observations and remarks. Use S for satisfactory, US for unsatisfactory, and NA for any sections or parts that are not found within your building or on your equipment. Record any observations that require immediate attention and follow through with the necessary steps to ensure that the equipment remains operational. The term check is commonly used for daily maintenance requirements and represents only a visual observation to ensure a device or system is not obviously damaged. Inspect represents a hands-on examination to determine that the system or device will perform its intended function properly. Tests require actual operation of the system or device to ensure proper functionality. Monthly tests that do not require the specialized skills of licensed contractors are conducted by in-house maintenance unless otherwise noted.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.